My name is Misty. I am the creator of Creative Bits of Chaos, and I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to do a petal out of poly burlap mesh for a sunflower burlap wreath. So I'll go over the three types of petals. The first one we'll go over is this type of look. We will go over this one, and we will go over this one. Okay. All right, so to get prepared, you would have already cut your poly burlap mesh using the wood burner tool that we talked about in the last video. Right over here. Mine's not on this time. I can touch it. Anyways, poly burlap mesh. It will come in 10 inches width. You want to cut it in 10-inch lengths, so it's going to be a perfect square. So we will do the first petal, which is this type of petal right here. And it is, give me just a second, it is the type of petal that is used in this wreath right here. It has a full look to this wreath. I used that type, or this, I used this type of petal in this whole entire wreath here. And so how you do that one, so take your poly burlap mesh, you're going to bring one corner and the other corner, both. Well, that doesn't look very good. Hold on just a second. Let's try it with the other edges. Sometimes I've noticed that too. Sometimes these two edges won't look right, but these two edges will. So anyways, here we go. We're going to point these both toward the middle. So do you see that? How they're both facing each other in the middle. And then you are going to gather the burlap together. So it is going to look like that. Okay? And then we're going to take that and we are going to fold one petal behind the other petal. And you'll shape your petal the way you like it and make it look uniform. And then you're going to take a pipe cleaner and you are going to tie that little guy together. So, and then you can shape it and mess with it. That's what I do when I'm actually making a wreath. I'll make a bunch of these, and then right when I'm getting ready to put it on the wreath form, then I mess with it. I just try to shape it and form it. So, and I cut off the excess of the pipe cleaner with the wire cutters. So that's how that one looks. And of course this one needs a lot of manipulating. But that is one type of petal. It gives it a nice full look, and you're getting a lot of coverage with just one piece of burlap right there too. So that's a nice look. And that would just, go in your wreath form, and you would attach it with a zip tie. And we can go over attaching and making an actual wreath in a later video. This one is just about petals. So anyways, that's that one. Okay, so the next one is this one. And I had just made a poly burlap mesh sunflower wreath out of the one that I just showed you, but I don't have it. But it was so pretty. I love these petals. This is probably my favorite petal. So that one, 10 by 10 piece of poly burlap mesh again. This one, you're going to take one corner and it's going to meet over to the other corner. So it's going to look like a triangle. See that? And then this bottom part of the triangle, you're going to gather all the way across. So hopefully you can see me. So I'll take it like this. And I'm just going to gather like this. And you're going to do it even. Try to gather an equal amount of material as you're going through. Okay, this one's so pretty. I don't know why this one's my favorite one. And this one is a little uneven how I did it, so I would probably refold this one again. Well, kind of formed right in there, didn't it, almost? Anyways, that is this petal. It really pops out there on the back. It's just a really pretty petal. Again, take your pipe cleaner, and well, that leftover piece is not going to work. So take your pipe cleaner, wrap it around. It's always nice to have your petals pre-made, so when you actually go to put this on a wreath form, you don't have to worry about making your petals So again, that's how this one looks. See, it's so pretty, and you can always form it how you want to. Now you don't want to mess with the poly burlap mesh too much. You might cause some fraying there on the ends, but you can definitely, you know, work with it to get the form that you want. Anyways, when you're putting this on your wreath form, you can put it in a down fashion, which is what I did. I put all of mine down, very, very, very pretty. And then you've got this, like, it gives depth to your wreath. It's very, very pretty. Or you can put it like this if you wanted to, and have going around the wreath form like that. Pretty either way. This next one right here, it is the type of petal that I just put on my last poly burlap wreath that I was making. I haven't got the center done on this one, and this is with poly burlap mesh with snowdrift on the edges there. I really like this one. It's winter time here, and so I just thought that this was a pretty look for a winter wreath. Anyways, that one, how I made that one, again, 10 by 10. I'm going to go corner to corner, so I'm going to make a triangle again, like this, but now I'm going to turn it into an envelope. So I take one side right there, and I take the other side like that. So it kind of looks like an envelope to me. And then I just kind of squeeze this together. Okay, and let me put this pipe cleaner around it. And I just like this kind of different look because the petal just looks a tad bit different than the last one. But it's got this middle piece right there. And again, do you see a lot of concave, I don't think that's the word. It's really late for me, and I've been making wreaths all day. So I have no idea right now. Anyways, it has this concave area in there, kind of like it, how it just, I just like this, this petal. It's just pretty. So just a different kind of look. That's that one. Attach it again with a pipe cleaner. I have seen lots of videos where they have these different sizes of pipe cleaners to attach their petals to the wreath form. I use an 8-inch one just because I buy this humongous bag. I don't even remember how many it had in there. Maybe 1,000 of them. But and I got them off of Amazon if you want to look those up yourself too. That's a really nice thing, and they're not very expensive, like $24 I think. But I just use the same size. There's lots of different sizes, so you can definitely do that if it works better for you. So, all right, that is all that we wanted to talk about tonight. So again, this petal, and this petal, all made out of poly burlap mesh. Awesome. Kind of crazy that you can make so many different things with poly burlap mesh. So I'm sure there's lots more videos to be had. All right, y'all. Time to go to sleep for me. I don't know what time it is, but my day has to end, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.